It's Saturday, and I'm in the house. You know this ain't even me. Bush.
Nigga, sit your $5 ass down before I make change, nigga.
I told y'all that nigga Boo be bullshitting.
What's up with that boy, man? Shit, ever since my nigga got the little new female shit, nigga barely even hear from him. Don't want to answer the phone. I barely even see the nigga. I ain't heard from my boy and shit. I don't know how long.
You know what? I bet his ass get out for this party tonight.
We gotta go back to our old ways. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. From the morning to the night, nigga. Superstar. I'm sitting yeah with the eye, nigga. From the morning to the night, nigga. I'm sipping yak with the eye, nigga. Yeah. From the morning to the night, nigga. I'm sipping yak with the ice, nigga. Bad bitches from my left to my right, nigga. Fuck the world, I can do this all night, nigga. That's your girl, then I do her all night, nigga. Oh, he mad? He want the right, nigga. Hey, from the morning to the night, nigga. Me and my nigga living life, nigga.
We can do this all night, nigga. Bitches to my left, we getting right, nigga. They just wanna party all night, and we on that shit from Houston while we bumping Dirty Sprite, nigga. Stripper named Alexis, it's only for the night. Rode the Lexus down from Texas. She looking for some trouble, and I bet she won't regret it. Blowing smoke from the hookah, then she started getting naked, man. Ass like Serena, I never came alone, that's why I brought my friend Keisha. Keisha's from Atlanta, she said hi, it's nice to meet you, man. It's only 2 AM, I really hope you're down for threesomes. We can do this all night. Somebody grab a bottle, Mr. Yak with the ice. I know this shit is wrong, but that ass sitting right. Greatness, this is what you want me about, it's gotta be the life. God damn.
From the morning to the night, nigga. I'm sipping yak with the ice, nigga. Bad bitches from my left to my right, nigga. Fuck the world, I can do this all night, nigga. That's your girl, then I do her all night, nigga. Oh, he mad? He want the right, nigga. Hey, from the morning to the night, nigga. Me and my nigga living life, nigga. Do say fuck that rose getting lifted, that's my forte. Got a shorty, call me Water, yeah, she straight out of New Orleans. I be sipping yak with Sean, I be pouring lean with Rick. These sucker BMs in my DM, straight crying for this dick. I can't love none of these hoes, I can't trust none of these niggas. If it ain't South music over everything, get the fuck out of here, nigga. I keep money on my mind, every day I get high. I pop the perk and the tab, watch it down with lean at the same time. I'm just doing what I do, fuck some commas up in the club. Them broke hoes mad at a nigga, cause we ain't showing no love. Nah, I don't want no scrub, and I don't want no thoughts. Salute to all my real niggas, middle fingers to the ops, middle fingers to the cops. Ain't no justice or peace, from the morning to the night. I be looking for a freak, as fat as my pockets, titties on double D. Take her home now, I'm screaming on like Master P, ho. From the morning to the night, nigga. I'm sipping yak with the ice, nigga. Bad bitches from my left to my right, nigga. Fuck the world, I can do this all night, nigga.